Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell about the paper presentation of computerized accounting or tally, which you people will call tally subject. Many of the students got tensed about this subject. I don't know why, but I am assuring that if you watch this video fully means you can score O grade in this subject. I'm going to tell you about the tips and tricks how you should present your answers in the examination booklet. Everything in detail we will discuss in this video. Okay, so whatever the points which I am discussing in this video you will not at all find in any of the other channels. So try to listen this video and watch this video fully, then only you will get the most advantage. Okay, so computerized accounting or tally, the whole paper consists of 50 marks external examination and another 50 marks was allotted by your colleges by conducting practicals, internal examinations, like that. It depends on the particular colleges. So this 50 marks you are going to write that question paper in the examination centers. Okay, so in computerized accounting you are having 5 units, right? In that 5 units, what are the important questions and what are the damn sure questions you will get, everything I have discussed, I have given to you all in my previous videos. If you don't watch that video means just watch that video before watching this video, then you will get the clarity about this paper presentation as well as about the subject computerized accounting. Okay, so for 50 marks paper you are having 5 units and some of the students are asking me about that, whether it is a problematic paper or theoretical paper. By learning the subject you are having problematic means how we should do tally in the computer, like that you are having, this is a practical subject. But coming to the examination center you will not at all have any practical questions or methods. Okay, all you will write is only theory and you should draw the screens, and especially in computerized accounting screens plays a key role in this overall subject. If you want to score O grade, if you want to score passing marks also, the paper corrector what they will see means whether the student has drawn the screens or not, because computerized accounting in each question you can draw the screen, particular screen will be there, everything I will discuss in this video. So whether it is a 15 minutes video, 20 minutes video or a 30 minutes video, watch this video fully, then only will get to know. Again I'm saying, and coming back to the notes, I have given my own notes in Telegram group. So if you want that PDF means you should check out in Telegram group, and today also I will re-upload that PDF in Telegram group. In materials I have seen many textbooks and materials based on computerized accounting, but it's the answers which they are giving in that materials was very difficult to understand for the students, and for this subject if you want to score full marks also, then no need to learn that much critical answers or typical answers. That much hard answers is not at all enough for you. That is not at all useful for you all. The students who are pursuing in Osmania University, for them I am saying. So I have given my notes for each question, whatever the important questions and whatever the damn sure questions I have given in my previous video. For that each question I have given the answers with the question, and what are the main screens you should understand, what are the main screens you should draw in the examination booklet. There are compulsory, there are few screens in that, in this subject, 5 or 4 screens you are having. Okay, so if you are perfect with that screen, then you can score. In long you will consist of 8 marks each question, right? If you draw the screen, for that screen only 3 marks will be allotted, and remaining the answer whatever you are writing from that screen only you are writing. For example, if you want to open WhatsApp in your mobile phone, what you will do, first you will unlock your screen. Step number 1, you will unlock your screen. Step number 2, you will type your password. Step number 3, the lock will open. Step number 4, you will click on the WhatsApp icon. Step number 5, you will find the display like this, chats, status and calls. You will find the display like this. This is called screen. right? In that we should step number 6, we should search for the particular person who we want to send the documents. And 7, in that you will have this symbol where you need to click for that symbol to send the documents or the images. And 8th step, by sending the click button, we will send our message or image or documents to the person who we need to send that only you are writing in computerized accounting, right? So no need to worry about this subject. For 50 marks question paper, passing marks is just 18 marks. If you learn two long questions or two units questions, means around 3 or 4 questions, if you learn that questions also, you can easily pass in this subject. Okay, so 2 or 3 questions is not at all very hard to learn or hard to remember to you all. So those who want only passing marks in this subject, in a tally video, important questions video, I have given 3 to 4 damn sure questions. Okay, 3 to 4 damn sure questions. For example, how to create a company in tally, that is a damn sure question. How to create, alter, delete stock groups in tally, this is another damn sure question. And what is the voucher and what are the different types of voucher, this is another type of damn sure question. If you learn these type of damn sure questions, you can easily get passed. But if you want to score O grade in this subject, you should follow these tips. Okay, so now we will discuss in each unit what are the screens are there, what are the questions I have given, and how you should present your answers in the examination booklet. Now we will discuss about the video. Okay, so till here the introduction part what I have said is, I think that you have people got clarity about this subject. No need to worry at all about this subject. Okay, so just refer my notes instead of learning from the materials or any other publications. I don't know what publications you people are using, but no need to use any type of particular publications for this subject. Just refer my notes. I will upload my notes today also. I think today's date is 25th November, I think. In Telegram group, you search in 25th November what are the PDFs I have uploaded. Okay, there you will find the computerized accounting PDF notes of mine. Okay, so now we will discuss about the unit number 1 in tally subject. What are the questions, what are the screens, everything we will discuss now. Okay, so in unit number 1 tally subject, I have given one important questions. What is that means? Differences between computerized accounting and manual accounting. This answer is purely theoretical. Means if this question came in examination for long, how you need to write that in booklet. Here you will find booklet like this. This is your answer booklet. You should draw here one line. Here it will only give that line, but here you should draw one line. The answer which you are writing, the inner side should be in a square format. You should not leave like this. Okay, you should not leave like this. Just draw one line here. Okay, so if you are attempting part B, here you write part B. So again I am saying that your paper correction will be a digital correction. Your answer booklet was not seen by the paper corrector physically. Whatever the writing answers you are writing in that booklet, it will show in the computer display where the invigilator, where the paper corrector will allow. So some of the students handwriting will be very much small. What I say is better you should increase your handwriting. Part B you should write like this here, and you should draw one small line here. Question number, whether you are writing a ninth question, in ninth question A question or B question you are writing. In each question you will have internal choice in part B, right? Whether you are writing A question or B question, I think A. You should write this A here. And differences between computerized accounting and manual accounting. The differences between computerized accounting and manual accounting are in follows. Should keep the write that one sentence and draw one line here and here like this. You draw in middle of the one line computerized accounting, manual accounting. Okay, first point. Okay, write something whatever you have learned. Leave one line here. Leave one line and write second point. Whatever the right, and while writing the differences, many of the students will do a mistake. For example, this is the differences table. Here you are writing. It's basically a single rule paper booklet, right? Like this you are having. Okay. So here some of the students will write first definition. It will complete in 2 lines only. And here it will complete in 3 lines. What some students will do means, here they will start second point, here they will start second point. You should not do like this. How you should start? If answer first point is occupying 2 lines only, if for the another point it's occupying 3 lines only, just after uh, completing this one point, just make sure you have left one line, and here you start second point, here also whatever, and after completing second point give one line, and here you start third point. Okay, like this you need to write. This is the main mistake many of the students will do. This is the one of the main reason for deducting the marks, for scoring less marks. So in each and every minor tip also I am saying in this video. If you feel that this video is not uh, that much worthy, means you can follow another video. For them who have asked me about this subject, for them, for I think that this video will be useful for 5 to 6 members also. That makes me happy. Okay, so no need to worry about the others. So this is the first question, and the second question what I have given is how to create a company in Tally ERP9. This is the important question. Many of the students will learn these questions, but whereas coming to the presentation of that answer in the answer booklet, there you can score less marks. Scoring the marks depends on how you are presenting your answer in the answer booklet. Paper corrector does not know whether you have learned really, whether you have not learned really. He don't know. Whatever you have written in the answer booklet, that only he knows. So whatever you have learned, you should present in a well manner. Then only you can score 8 of 8 marks. Okay. So how to present this answer in a booklet? Answer you should write like this here, and it's a single rule paper again. Steps to create a company in Tally ERP9, you should keep heading. Step number 1, open Tally icon, Tally ERP9 from the desktop. Whatever the answer you are learning in that notes, that only you should present like this. After completing step number 1, make sure you leave one line and start step number 2. Click on Tally icon and you will get educational. Select work on educational mode. You will display a screen. And what are the screens you should draw for company? For company answer, there are mainly 3 screens. Students, this is the main screen of Tally. Whether you are attempting any question in Tally question paper, if you draw this screen, you can score marks. Approximately 3 marks you can score. For any question, whether it's from first unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit, fifth unit, whatever the question you are getting, if you draw the screen, means you can score, because it's a common screen, right? Gateway of Tally. After clicking on the Tally icon, you will get displayed like this: masters, transactions, utilities, reports. These are the 4 side headings which you can see in Gateway of Tally. If I think this if this board is not visible, in the notes PDF you will find the screens. There you can make note of it. Here I am just explaining. This accounts info in masters, the first is account info. This is for first unit. First unit you will learn all about the accounts info only. Second unit you learn only inventory info. Third unit you will learn about the accounting vouchers. Fourth unit you will learn about the inventory vouchers. And the fifth unit you will learn about the reports. MIS reports, right? MIS reports is the important question. For these reports, You are learning here fifth unit. So like that. First, first unit you are learning about the accounts info. In that accounts info, after clicking on accounts info, you will find another display screen where you will draw that screen only. If you remember the screens, then no need to learn the answers now. Okay. So for example, how to create a company in Tally. Step number one, click on the Tally icon and you will select work on educational mode. You will find the display like this. Here only half page of answer is over. After drawing this screen, what you should write means click on accounts info. First we need to create a company. Alt plus F3. Press Alt plus F3. There you will find the screen like this. After clicking Alt plus F3, create company, quit company, alter company. Somewhat here you will find some display. After clicking Alt plus F11, Alt plus F11 is to create a company. To create a company, press on create company. There you will find another screen. There you need to give your company name, company phone number, email address, state, pin code, mobile number, everything. These are the 6 or 7 headings. If you will write means it's enough. Okay. That's over. Answer is over. So, how to create a company in Tally means step number one, click on Tally icon. Step number two, select work on educational mode. Step number three, you will see a display of the screen like this means gateway of Tally screen you need to draw. And fourth point is click Alt plus F3 to create a company. Alt plus F3 to create a company. There you will find this screen: create company, alter company, quit company, display company. Like this, 4 types of option screen display you will screen. In that screen, click on create company. There you will find the company creation where you need to give like this. You will find the company's creation here like this: name, name of the company, phone number, state, country, mobile number. Like this you need to draw. Over 8 marks, answer is over. Like that only you need to learn about this computerized accounting. No need to learn any theoretical answers. Okay. So in account screen, whatever I have said in first unit, in gateway of Tally screen, accounts info you are learning. Right, in that accounts info, what are the sub screens you are having? After clicking on accounts info, what are the screens you will display? Okay, so after clicking the accounts info, the screens whatever is means first unit. In first unit you will learn groups topic, ledger topic, voucher. Groups and ledgers is the most important. Okay, so if they ask how to create ledgers in Tally ERP9, what we need to do? Same answer whatever you have written for company creation, till that you should write the same. Click on Tally icon, everything whatever I have said. After that, after clicking on accounting info, you will show a display a screen like this: gateway of Tally. You have clicked the accounts info. In accounts info, what are the screens you will have? Groups, ledgers, voucher types, quit. These are the 4 topics you will find in accounts info. Right, are you getting my point? In that, if they ask to create groups in Tally, till that you will need to create. After clicking accounts info, select group. You will find another screen like this: gateway of Tally. Here it's a group screen, right? Groups. In that, single group will be there, multiple group will be there. Okay, single group, multiple group. Here you will have quit option. In single group, if you want to create means select, alter, display, subheadings. In multiple, you will have same: select, alter, display. For example, how to alter a group in Tally ERP9. First, we need to create company. After we need to create, click on accounts info. There you will find this screen. After clicking groups in accounts info, there you will find this screen. If you want to alter the groups in single, you need to click on here, or else if you want to alter the groups in multiple group means here you need to click. There you will find the display. There you can give the alteration. This is only, just you need to remember the screens, that's it. No need to learn any answer, that only you are writing here. Clicking on group, we need to click on ledgers. Ledgers are the same. Here gateway of tally, here not groups, here ledgers. Single ledger, multiple ledger. In ledgers also you will have select option, alter option, display option. In multiple also you will have select option, alter option, display option, and quit. That's it. After clicking here, you will find the display where you need to give the ledgers. And it's simple. Only 3 questions in first unit. Differences between manual accounting and computerized accounting, how to create a company in Tally, and ledgers answer. How to create, how to select, create, alter, display a ledger in Tally ERP9. Same answer for 3 questions. Okay. So this is all about the first unit. I hope that you have got clarity, full clarity about this first unit. Okay. So just you remember the screens. Gateway of Tally, masters, transactions, reports, and utilities. These are the 4 subheadings you will have. In that first subheading, masters, accounts info, inventory info. Accounts info is related totally to first unit. Inventory info is totally related to the second unit. And the accounting vouchers and inventory vouchers total we will learn about that in third unit. And about utilities, import data and banking, whatever we are having, bill wise details, etc., we will learn all that concept in fourth unit. And coming back to the fifth unit, we will learn about the reports, profit and loss account, balance sheet. If you learn that screen, then half of the marks you have scored. That's it. In 2 marks also, how to create a company means Alt plus F3. Click on Alt plus F3 from Gateway of Tally. Gateway of Tally means this screen. Or else you can write a path like this. Gateway of Tally, accounts info. If you want to create a ledger, click on ledger. There you will find the single and multiple. If you want to click on single, create. This is the path. Okay, for short answers you need to draw like this. No need to draw the screen, just you should write the path. How to create a company in Tally. How to create a company from Gateway of Tally. Click Alt plus F3 and there you will find the create company. Create. That's it. Over. And this is about the first unit in Tally. I hope that you have got clarity. And here I am explaining just an answers. It's a mini type of explanation video. I think that I am taking a much time for presenting this, but I am giving the clarity to you all. Okay. So just if you follow this tips means, because many of the students have asked me about that, ma'am, we don't getting that much concentration, we are not at all understanding while reading that answers in computerized accounting, like that they have said. For them only I am explaining all this stuff here. So now we will discuss about the second unit in Tally. Okay students, in second unit we are learning this main concept, creation of stock groups. How you should write that answer? Step number 1, click on Tally icon. After clicking on Tally icon, click on work on educational mode. You will find the main gateway of Tally screen which I have seen in the first unit, like masters, utilities, whatever you are having, that screen you need to draw. And after drawing that screen, select inventory info. Accounts info is related to the first unit. Inventory info is related to the second unit, right? After clicking on the inventory info, you will find a screen like this and you need to draw the screen. Gateway of Tally, after clicking the inventory info, you will find stock groups, stock items, unit of measure, quit. These are the four topics, four side headings you will visible in inventory info. They are asking about the stock groups. After clicking on the inventory info, click on stock groups. There you will find another screen like this. Stock groups, right? Gateway of tally. Here also you will have single stock group, multiple stock group, quit. Same screen. Create, alter, delete. Create, alter, delete. So if you want to create a stock group in single, click on this. If you want to create a stock group in multiple means, click on this. There you will find a screen like this. There you need to enter the details, stock group details. Means what are the quantity and what are the quality we are having, how much price for that each of the quality, everything that only will. Over 8 marks answer is more than enough. There you will by writing this only you will cover 2 pages. So remember, examination timing is only 2 hours. Okay, so better you should finish the examination within that time only. Okay, by drawing these screens you will get a lack of time. Okay, so try to draw the screens fastly. So or else you can do a path also. If your time is not there, means you do one path whichever I have shown. From gateway of tally, click on inventory info. After clicking on inventory info, stock groups. If you want to create stock groups in single, single. If you want to create or alter or delete, alter. If you want to create means create. If you want to delete means delete. That's it. If you write this path also, it's enough. But drawing one screen for each answer is mandatory to score full marks. Okay. For short, like this, you need to draw the path. No need to draw the screens. Okay. And same creation of stock items. Same the stuff you are writing the same answer. After that, in inventory info, you are selecting stock items. In stock items also same screen. Single, multiple, quit. In single also create, alter, delete. Multiple also create, alter, delete. If you want to do a stock items in multiple means, click on multiple. In that you will need to click on create. That's it. Over. Stock category means is nothing but single and multiple. Single, multiple, quit I have said no. This is called stock categories. Create, alter, delete, create, alter, delete. This is the screen. Stock categories means this is not much important question, but I am saying if they ask in that stock category we will have two options, single option and multiple stock categories. If we are having more than one stock, then we will need to do a multiple categories, create, alter, display. And if we are having only one stock category item, you need to create in a stock category. That's it. Same screens you need to draw for each and every answer, ma. So no need to run. And the another important question is go downs in this unit. So for go downs, you need to activate first after clicking on tally, after displaying the main screen. Click Alt plus F11. Alt plus F11. There you will find go downs. Okay. You need to activate it. After activating it only, second unit inventory info. Inventory info I have said stock groups, stock items, stock categories, voucher types, quit. After you are activating this go downs only, you will display this name here like go downs. If you don't activate this screen, go downs, then you will not at all find the go downs. Okay. So this is the one thing you need to learn. Just refer my answers. You will easily understand the questions. Okay. These are the main 3 questions. Okay. Stock groups is the important question. 99% this only will come. Go downs is another important question, and stock items. Stock groups and stock items related to the same answer. Same answer. Okay. And now we will discuss about the third unit. What are the things we are having in that third unit? Okay. So Students, in third unit, you are learning the two main important questions, that is differences between credit note and debit note. This is the theoretical and differences between answer you should learn by your own. And coming back to the types of voucher, means what type of question they may ask means what is voucher and explain different types of vouchers and answer. They will ask like that. Voucher means voucher is nothing but a documentary proof. Documentary proof means what, man? Like that you will ask. Okay, right there. If we are purchasing some kind of product in a business, we need to enter that details in vouchers. Means, for example, we are purchasing or we are selling one product to other persons. We need to that clarity. Clarity. For clarity purpose, we will maintain these types of vouchers. Voucher is nothing but a documentary proof, or you can also call it as source document. In this, I have given 8 types of vouchers: purchase voucher, sales voucher, receipt voucher, payment voucher, general voucher, purchase return voucher, sales return voucher. These types of I have given different types of vouchers. If we are getting some kind of amount into the business, that is receipt voucher. If we are spending some amount to the others related to the business, that is payment voucher. If we are selling our business products, means you need to enter that details in sales voucher. If we are purchasing some kind of product, means then we need to enter that in purchase voucher. If any of the we are returning our purchases, means then we need to enter that in purchase returns. Any of the returns we are getting, that is called sales return. Like the different types of vouchers you are having. If you look into that question, answer means you will easily get by clicking on for example, by clicking on F4, by clicking on F9, by clicking F9 you will get purchase voucher. F8 is sales voucher, right? Like these types of vouchers you are having in this third unit. Third unit is a simple unit, no need to draw any screens in this unit. Okay, so just learn about these vouchers. It's a damn sure question which you will get for 8 marks. Okay, voucher, different types of vouchers. 8 different types of vouchers is enough. If you refer my notes, means you will easily understand, or else you are wish. Okay. So now we will discuss about the fourth unit, students. So in fourth unit also there are two main important questions we will discuss now. So students, in fourth unit, two important questions I have said. First is types of bill-wise details and second is how to activate bill-wise details. How to activate bill-wise details is a purely theoretical answer. Means click on tally icon. After clicking on tally icon, press this F level. You will find that the type of answer you are having. If you refer the notes, means you will easily understand by that answer. And coming back to the types of bill-wise details, is having only 4 types: new reference, against reference, advance reference, and on account reference. What is new reference? Means how you need to write that answer. Means bill types of bill wise, this is an important question. In types of bill wise details, we are having 4 main types of bill wise details: new reference, against reference, advance, and on account. Like this you need to write. And down, new reference. What is mean by new reference? In business, if we are purchasing or selling our product to a new customer, right, or a new from a new buyer, we will refer all that transaction in new reference. For example, I am purchasing one product from a buyer who is a seller for me for the first time. Then where I need to enter the data, means in new reference. Either it may be a purchase or it may be a sales. If I am selling my products to a customer who is new to my business, for that type of transaction, new means new customers, okay, new sellers, new buyers. That type of data is entered in new reference. Then what is mean by against reference? Already existed persons. For example, if I am purchasing the requirements of the products which I have required in the business from the same person, from 3 to 4 years I'm purchasing from that person only. That person name is already existed in the business, right? Then that type of bills we need to enter in against reference, whether it may be a purchases or it may be a sales. Already existed person's name is entered in the against reference. And coming back to the advance, if we pay or if we receive any advance amount, or if we are paying any amount advance in advance, before the time only we are paying, before the time only we are receiving from the customers, so that type of bills we will enter in advance. Advance is a type of bill-wise details where what type of entries we will enter in this, if we receive or if we pay money in advance. If we receive money in advance or if we pay money in advance, that type of entries will be written in advance bill-wise details. And the last one is on account. On account means no clarity. The bills which we are receiving has no clarity. So that type of clarity-less bills was entered in on account. For example, if my customer is purchasing 3 or more products from me, and she said that after 2 to 3 months I will refer your amount. I will give your amount, she said. So she purchased two products, no, not two, three products she purchased, and she is paying only one amount. So for that one amount, for it, whether it is referring to the third product or whether it is referring to the second product or first product, I am not at all having any clarity. So that type of entries are written in on account. The bills which we are receiving, which we are not having clarity on that bills, that is called as on account. If you just refer my answer means you will absolutely score O grade and 8 marks in this subject. Just you after listening this explanation, just go to with that notes now. Okay, so the last unit of tally we will discuss now. Okay, students, in fifth unit you are learning main topics, main questions, that is MIS, Management Information System. So it's basically a theory answer. You can learn, if you learn that answer means it's more than enough. No need to explain and no need to draw any screens for this answer, for this unit also. So MIS stands for Management Information System, and what are its advantages and disadvantages? As it is a management system, we will get the information related to the business or related to our thing, there we can do a better decision. So that type of thing you are having in that answer. If you learn that answer, if you just read that answer one time means you will get to know about this MIS. And coming back to the types of reports, types of MIS reports, this is another important questions. In that you will have 4 types: financial reports, accounting reports, inventory reports, and other general reports. So for the financial reports means what type of financial reports. Accounting means, if you learn that answer means that is more than enough for this unit. Okay. So this is all about the tallies preparation and paper presentation in examination hall. And the screens which you need to remember means screens I will tell. In that notes also I have drawn that screens ma. But here I am saying gateway of tally screen, accounts info screen. In that accounts info you will find groups, ledger, like that. Inventory info screen. In that same stock groups, stock items. In that what are having single, multiple, here all the same. Ledgers, groups, single, like that type of screens you need to remember. But gateway of tally is important. This is the important screen. And the screens I have drawn in the notes. Wait, I will show my notes. See, I think you are visible. So this type of drawn screens is available in the notes PDF. There you will find all the screens. So this is, I have taken the picture and I have made a PDF over there. You check out the screens. These are all the screens which you need to remember for this subject. Okay. So basically it's an easy subject. No need to worry and no need to get tense about the subject. It's a damn easy subject. In fifth semester all subjects are very much easy compared to the second semester. In second semester you have learned many things like advanced account, the toughest examinations also you have learned, right? But here fifth semester you are not at all having any that type of tough feeling subjects. Okay, so this is all about the video. I hope that you have got clarity about this subject, and all the very best for your preparation and all the very best for your examination in advance. Okay, so I hope that you have got clarity about this subject, and I hope that you many of you are helped and getting helped by this video. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends. This video may be useful for your friends also, those who are regular to the colleges. Okay, so once again all the very best, and comment me in the comment section how you felt my explanation. Okay, so this is all about the video, and once again all the very best. See you in the next video. Bye bye.